No, seriously, no, come on, no applause, please. What's happening for him? What's happening? A mother epic battle, that's what's happening. Now everyone and their crusty ass grandma sent this video to me, and rightly so. Look at the cat, he's all stealth-like.
Ooh, can you handle this? Can you deal with this? Can you deal with the quickness?
I know guys, I'm sick of cat videos too, but this one was pretty cool. I mean, just look at how the cat pwns the snake at the end.
Haha, yeah, swipe, haha, yeah, f your couch.
Now I think we all know what that cat is gonna do with that snake. Surprise butt sex. Surprise butt sex. I mean, what? Oh, ew, oh, who would do that? Alright, now there's this kid Ben, and Ben really loves lasagna. But there's something about the way he pronounces the word lasagna.
Ben, can you say I love lasagna?
I love you, China.
Wow, I mean, yeah, I can totally identify. I mean, clearly Ben has a one-track mind here.
I love you, China.
Yeah, we know, Ben. There's no reason to brag about it. Jeez, Ben, you and your obsession with lasagna. God, the amount of time and energy I've spent on trying to get lasagna. Now, this last video is pretty funny. You might actually lol. You might raffle. You might lamau. You might raffle mafow. Hell, you might even, oh my god, what the f barbecue. I'm just saying, this woman's reaction to the recent American Idol winner is tragically funny.
Dim the lights, let's get to it. Lead away! I told you. How does it feel to be the new American Idol?
Oh man, where to begin? It's like I kinda wanna rip on this woman for being such an armchair stage mom, but what do I look like, some kind of asshole who makes fun of people on the internet? No, I don't wanna be rude to this woman because she seems nice, and judging by her behavior, she's probably one of your relatives. But come on, I mean, you forget that—
I love you, China.
Yeah, we know, Ben. Please don't interrupt me. Yeah, no, you guys forget that American Idol is not that big a deal. I mean, the only difference between American Idol and a real karaoke bar is that you don't have my drunk ass on stage like, Roxanne! You don't have to put on the red light! Now, the best part of the video is the ex-jarhead in the back who's like, I told you!
I told you.
Man, that guy doesn't give a f***. That guy is like 5 seconds away from going, your singer lost. Now get back in the kitchen and make me some ramen noodle. Nah, I kid. Look, I said I'm not gonna be mean to the people. Now the woman is clearly emotional. I mean, the people who sent me the video were mean enough to her. They were like, check this out, Ray. This woman's so fat, the video won't load. Alright, calm down with all that.
I love you, China.
Yeah, we know, Ben. Nobody likes a braggart. Jeez, people get on my damn nerves today. Damn. Oh, what? Now you applause when I walk off the frame? What is this, a fucking sitcom? Anyway, moving on and transitioning into the comment question of the day, which comes from a user whose name I couldn't possibly pronounce. And they said,
if you were Justin Bieber's dad, how would you handle it?
So, if you were Justin Bieber's dad, how would you handle it? Leave your interesting or creative responses in the comment section below. But thanks for watching today's episode of Equals 3. I'm Ray William Johnson, and I approve this message. So tell me, Forum, what's Victoria's secret?
Stalking your mom, 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 stalking your mom. Yo, I've been stalking your mom for like 2 years straight. I'm way too shy to ask her out on a date, so I just wait in your neighbor's lawn with my camera ready and my camouflage on, and I know that I'll get plenty pics.